Hello, wonderful people. Thank you for joining me again. Welcome to another piano tutorial. So, this is actually for beginners. I just want to do a freestyle that makes your chord sound so very churchy. So, if you're a beginner, this is a lesson that you will want. Okay, so I'm going to do it on key C. Let me run the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is how the movements goes. Then I'll just try to break it down. So it's something like this. So my voices, I have the grand piano, and for the dual voice I have the let me just try to put organ, full organ, so you can get that feeling. So it goes like this. So let me just quickly break it down. The first movement, I did an inversion for chord C. So the second inversion, then I did a walk down movement of semitone apart from each other. 1, okay. So that's the movement. 1 semitone, another semitone movement. So you're going to have something like this. Then you resolve on your 4. So my left hand I have just the normal form. I just actually remove the A. So I have F, C. Then on my right hand I have the full chord, F, A, C. And look at this movement. So this is 2. So my 2 I have on my left hand I have 2. A I have 4, but it is inverted. I've inverted this guy already. The first inversion for 4. Then 3. So my right hand I have E. On my left hand, sorry, I have E. On my right hand I have G, C, E. Then on my left hand here I'm doing F. I have F, A, D here. And last movement, which is G, A, G, and C. Then the final movement. G, your chord. I have a B, I have a D, and a G here. Then on my left hand I have A, C, E, and A. Then the last movement, T. Then I have B on my left hand. I have D, G, and B. Then the last movement, C, your first inversion. So let me just play it one more time, and that's going to be helpful for this lesson. Okay, I didn't explain this part. So I did the second inversion for chord 1. Then I moved to this guy, which is my A, C, and F. It's just an inversion for 4. So let me just play everything up together again. Okay, so that's just what I have to share with you today. So if you have any questions, if you have anything you want me to just to tackle, please feel free to drop it in my comment section. I will always reply you. Thank you for joining me. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it. God bless you. Bye bye.